In this video, I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Sony Bravia TV. Now, over here, I have the Sony Bravia Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type or model of Sony TV you have. Whether you have the Sony Bravia Android TV or the old Sony Bravia TV or even the Sony Bravia Google TV just like this one, by the end of this video, you should be able to connect any Bluetooth speaker to your Sony Bravia TV. Now to do this, first things first, you want to make sure that your Bluetooth speaker is turned on and is on pairing mode. And as you can see over here, mine is actually turned on and is currently on pairing mode as well. Now once that is done, you want to head over to your Sony Bravia TV. Now use your remote control and head over to the settings of the TV. Usually it is at the top right corner of the TV, so just scroll over to the settings icon. You can as well just go ahead and press on the settings button on your remote control. Now open up the settings of the TV, and from the settings of the TV, what you just want to do is to scroll down until you get to the remote and accessories option over here. Go ahead and select it, and you're going to see the Bluetooth option over here. Now first things first, if the Bluetooth of your Sony Bravia TV is turned off, then make sure it is turned on. Mine, as you can see over here, is turned on. Then you just want to go ahead and click on the pair accessory over here. So just go ahead and select that option, and automatically your Sony Bravia TV will start looking for available devices it can actually connect to. At this point, if your Bluetooth speaker is actually on pairing mode, it should be able to find it at the top over here. As you can see, mine is over here, so I'll just go ahead and select my Bluetooth speaker, which is basically BT speaker. Now just go ahead and click on pair, and automatically your Bluetooth speaker will be connected to your Sony Bravia TV. And as you can see, under accessory, my Bluetooth speaker is currently added as one of the devices over here. And now I can go ahead and start watching videos, playing music on my Sony Bravia TV, and the sound or audio will start coming out from my Bluetooth speaker over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.